previous video, we learned that a deep neural network contains many hidden layers. But have you ever noticed something important? The final answer doesn't appear instantly. Information must travel through every layer before reaching the output. This journey is called forward propagation. Forward propagation is the foundational step where data flows sequentially from the input through all hidden layers to make a prediction. Every building starts with a blueprint, but the blueprint doesn't become a building in one step. It moves through different teams. Construction teams receive work one after another. The exact same thing happens inside a neural network. Input data first enters the input layer. The first team performs only one task, building the foundation. After completing its work, it passes the partially completed project to the next team. Similarly, the first hidden layer processes the input and sends its calculated output directly as input to the next hidden layer. Notice something important. The work always moves forward. Each team receives work, adds its own contribution, and passes it to the next team. Likewise, every hidden layer receives information, processes it, and forwards the result. This is called forward propagation. Suppose we want to determine whether a mango is suitable for export. The image first enters the input layer to begin processing. Each hidden layer extracts more useful information. Each layer detects shape, studies color, texture, until the output layer decides. Finally, the output layer combines all extracted features from every hidden layer together and makes the final decision on mango quality. Inside every hidden layer, many neurons work together. Each neuron receives inputs, multiplies them by their weights, and adds a bias term. The neuron applies an activation function and produces an output. These outputs become inputs for the next layer until final output produces. Once every layer finishes its work, the network reaches the output layer. Here, the final prediction is produced for our given task. In our example, the network decides if the mango is suitable for export, just as finished buildings result from every team working together. But what happens if the final result is wrong? Suppose the building inspector finds a serious crack in one of the walls. How do we determine which team made the mistake? If a neural network makes an incorrect prediction, how does it know to improve? The answer lies in backpropagation. Forward propagation sends information from input to output, but learning requires sending errors. To improve future predictions, the network sends errors backward, adjusts weights, and learns from mistakes. We explore backpropagation next video lesson. In the previous video, we learned about forward propagation. Information moved through every layer, just like constructing a building step by step. Finally, the building was completed. But here's an important question. What happens if the final result of our prediction is wrong? Imagine finding a crack in a newly constructed building.
Should we demolish the entire building and start again?
Building? Of course not. They investigate the mistake. Instead of starting over completely, engineers locate where the defect occurred. Deep learning works in the exact same logical, structural manner. The inspector doesn't randomly fix everything. He carefully moves backward, checking every stage of construction until identifying the mistakes. Similarly, when a neural network makes a wrong prediction, it traces error backward through every hidden layer. This process is called backpropagation. After identifying the mistake, the responsible team corrects it. Likewise, during backpropagation, these small individual parameter corrections help the entire neural network make significantly better predictions during subsequent future training iterations. Suppose the network predicts that a mango is suitable for export, but after inspection, we discover it's actually spoiled inside. The prediction was wrong. Now, the neural network must take this incorrect output and learn directly from its calculated mistake. The error begins at the output layer. Then, it travels backward through every hidden layer, while neurons evaluate their error contributions. Each neuron asks how much it contributed to the mistake and slightly adjusts its weights. Small, repeated adjustments gradually improve performance. Backpropagation happens again and again and again. After every mistake, the network makes improvements in parameters. Over thousands of training examples, these small weight adjustments accumulate continuously. Eventually, the neural network becomes remarkably accurate at predictions. Notice something important. The worker doesn't rebuild the entire wall. He makes a small correction so the wall becomes straight. Similarly, backpropagation doesn't make huge changes to weights. It makes tiny adjustments. Small improvements, repeated many times, yield excellence. How much should weights change? Very large corrections make networks unstable. If corrections are too small, learning becomes painfully slow. This adjustment size is controlled by a value called the learning rate. Choosing the right learning rate is crucial for training. Backpropagation tells us which weights should update, but how do we decide the best direction to update them for efficiency?
The answer lies in gradient descent. In our next lesson, we will explore how gradient descent helps networks find optimal solutions.